Yo, what is up guys? This is Hadi from Hadi Tech back with another video. In today's video, we're going to be discussing how you can increase the CPC of your AdSense account. So if you own an AdSense account and if you got a couple websites that are approved and showing ads on your account, and you need to actually improve the earnings or the cost per click, as I stated before, then you are in the right video. But before we jump into this video, definitely drop a like, comment down below if you have any question regarding this video or any other previous video that we put on this channel. Also, definitely check our previous video where I showed you how to create a website that is fully approved by AdSense just by buying a script, and those scripts are actually the ones that we covered on this channel. The link will be in the description down below, and yeah, we covered this script right here, the one that has like gaming theme to it, and we got the approval of AdSense. Then we covered this one, and we also got approved on AdSense, and we covered all of that in the last video. So definitely check that out. And yeah, that's all. If you have any question, like I said, drop it in the comment below or reach me on my social medias. So yeah, without further ado, let's just start with this. So there's like multiple things that you need to actually take into consideration when you are trying to increase the CPC. First thing first, you should know that the CPC is also related to the niche that you are working on. So for example, if you are operating in the insurance niche, it's not like the cooking niche or any other niche, for example, like tech or those type of stuff. But yeah, the biz differs, depends on the niche that you are in. That does not mean that you cannot increase the CPC, but I'm just saying, like, different advertisers pays more on different topics, on different type ad formats. So yeah, that's that. The second thing is the geolocation of the user. So for example, if you are receiving traffic from India, it's not the same as receiving traffic from the US or Canada or like any top tier country. Those countries pay more for the visits. So that's that too. But yeah, what you're gonna need to do is just go to your AdSense account, then go to your reports section, and in here scroll all the way down to let me see, ad networks. Yeah, and in here it will show you all the earnings that you have gotten from different ad networks. And what essentially you're gonna be doing is just trying to find some bad ad networks that you did not earn from, but you were receiving or like you were sending traffic to their ads, but they were not converting essentially. So for example, this one, the RPM of it is quite underwhelming, 0.57, and we have like 179 impressions, and we earned like 0.1 cents or like 1 cent. Yeah, it's underwhelming. We can disable this ad network later on. As you can see, we have this one. We have 3.8, which has like a decent RPM. If you ask me, you have Zamanta also has like a €6 RPM. We have this one as well. We have 6.2. We got this one. Look at this. Google like DCL key bid manager. This one has like below €1 RPM. So this is bad. You got this one too. Look at this. In Tango Ltd is just so bad as well. And we got different other networks that we send traffic to, but yeah, it was just so bad. Look at this, Yandex AG is 0.01 euros. That's just so bad. So what you need to be doing is just looking at these ad networks and just go in and disabling these. All right. So yeah, let's just try and copy this one. Okay. Then what you need to do is just click on brand safety. Yeah, and let's do content. Then blocking controls. Then in here, scroll all the way down to ad networks, okay? And yeah, look for the network that you are trying to disable. So for example, you're gonna be disabling this one. Click on this toggle right here, and boom. Yeah, we have blocked this ad network. Click on close, and as you can see, you will be seeing all the black networks in here. So you will not be sending traffic and you will not be getting paid by these ad networks. They will essentially be replaced automatically by different ad networks. So yeah, don't worry about that. Also in here, you can do one more thing. Go to general categories and click on general categories and look for the categories that you are sending traffic to, but the viewers are not interacting with the ads. So for example, we have 0.8 in here, as you can see, earnings, and we have the ad impressions, excuse me, 9.3. This one is actually good. We got beauty. Okay, this is the block list that I have. So yeah, let me just unblock this one for a second. We got the 0.8. Yeah, we have sent some low traffic, but there's like no interaction whatsoever with the beauty and personal care products, or ads I should say. We got the finance also. Let me just unblock this one. And yeah, we got also family, community. There's like low interaction there, or like low impression there. Home and garden, there's like low impression there. So we have blocked these. So what you need to do is just scroll down to the category section and look for the ones that are not performing well. So yeah, just keep an eye on the impression and the earnings. Okay, the impressions and the earnings, like if you're getting any earnings whatsoever. So yeah, that's that. Okay, let's just see. We have locked family dining nights. Okay, this one is good. Business and just industrial, as you can see, is just like the top earner in here. So that's how you optimize your CPC, or like increase your CPC, by disabling ad networks and also optimizing the type of ads that you are displaying on your website as well. Also, there is a third step that you can take, which is going to ad review center right here and reviewing the ads that you are showing on your website. You can either block those or enable those as well. So you can filter those ads by most impressions, highest revenue, highest CTR, and so on and so on. If you want to block any of these type of ads, just click a block and report ad. And if you want to find similar ads, like you can click find similar ads by and advertise the URL, and yeah, just like that you will be receiving more ads just like the top performing ones on your website. So that's that for optimizing your CPC through your AdSense account. And there is one more last step that I need to tell you about. The last step is to actually target some high CPC keywords, and in order to do that, you can use any SEO tool, just like SEMrush, Ahrefs, whatever the case might be. Like every SEO tool should do fine, but if you don't have the money to buy a subscription, you can use Google Ads. Go to your Google Ads account, then click on tools. Okay, then what you need to do, excuse me, not goals, tools, then click on the keyword planner. Okay, then in here what you need to do is just very simple. If you have a sheet of some keywords, click on get search volume of forecasts, and look for those keywords. But in our case, we're gonna do discover new keywords and start with the website, and we're gonna put our website, the one that we got approved on AdSense. Then click on get results. Just like that, we can tweak the targeting location here. As you can see, it's set to France, which is our location right now, but that does not matter. We can change that to the US, Canada, whatever the case might be, but that does not really matter right now. I'm just trying to showcase this method for you, or this strategy for you. What you need to do is just go up here and click on the top page high range. Okay, and you can see the top CPC keyword, and as you can see, it's online format. So essentially what you need to do is just take all of these, the one that have higher CPC, and target these keywords, like save them into an Excel sheet and target these keywords, whether that to put them in your like alternative attributes in your images in your website, or like create articles around them, whatever the case might be. Just target these keywords if you want. So yeah, we should wrap up this video. As I said before, there are multiple ways to actually increase the CPC. These are just few practices that you can incorporate to do so. If you like this video, definitely drop a like, comment down below. If you did not, then yeah, dislike this video. And yeah, take care of yourselves, guys, and see you in the next one. Peace.